So what is up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are looking at 3 different websites that are going to pay you for just reading. Yes, you heard me correctly, you can actually get paid to read online, and I'm going to show you just how you can do it. Okay, I've got 3 amazing platforms, and these platforms accept people from all over the world. Okay, these are also very little known platforms. One of them has been shown on YouTube before by others. So without further ado, let's get into this video. If you are new to this channel and like videos about real ways to make money online with no clickbait and no fake earnings, then subscribe to the channel and press the bell notification so you can be alerted each time I upload a new video. And feel free to watch any of the older uploads, as they all provide a lot of value that can actually help you make money online. Okay, so first and foremost, before I do go into the videos, I would like to apologize for my previous upload, as I know the quality was very bad, and also it's due to the fact that I was using a brand new mic which I bought from wish.com, and now you guys know the crap quality you get from wish.com, so just stay away from it at all costs. Secondly, I also want to apologize for just uploading one video a week. Reason for that is because I'm very busy and I've got new offline commitments. I've actually started my own small business, and it does require me to put in a lot of time and effort to make it succeed in the offline world, and it wouldn't have been possible without me making money online. I've been doing it all on my own. I didn't need any external investors. I took my time and grew my business from the money I've been making online, and you can also do the same. So I will be correcting these insufficiencies in the future. I will be trying this week, trying my best to actually upload 3 videos a week. Okay, but if you do not see me uploading more than 1 a week, please know that I will be uploading when I do get time, and I would like to make time to upload videos more frequently, but I do not want to rush any of the content for you guys. So anyways, the first site we are looking at which will pay you to actually read is called PublishOX. PublishOX.com is the name of the site. Now you are going to need to sign up for an account with this site. Now how you basically get paid is very easy. All you need to do is read an article. Also, a small disclaimer here guys, do not use these methods to replace any full-time income at the moment, because these methods will generate you small amounts of income from at the start, but if you put in the proper work into these methods, okay, and actually go out there, put yourself out there and actually do the work required from you and apply yourself with these methods, you can make more money over time, because there are other people using many of these methods to actually make money online full time. Okay, but anyways, now how PublishOX works is that you sign up for an account, you become a reader or an author. So there's 2 ways you can actually benefit from using PublishOX. Okay, so it's basically all about crypto, but there are other news stories and other articles as well. So you are going to read this article, okay, about 2 minutes or 3 minutes, okay, and they will notice that you've done so. Now once you've read this article, you need to start rating this article. Okay, you can follow the author, and you can decide on a tip you want to give the author. Now you are going to get a rev share from the author's publication, and you will be get paid in crypto. Now the crypto tips are free and come from our rewards pool. You are not required to actually invest anything with the site. All you need to do is that. Okay, and you can also become an author and actually gain more money in the long run this way, because your article will be there over time. It will rank in Google, people will read your article, and you will actually make more money this way. And the way you find content for these types of articles, if you look closely at what's happening here, the types of articles that they've got on their website is mostly about crypto, but there are other types of articles which they actually have on here which you can make. But the best thing to do is actually go over to YouTube and just search crypto. Also filter the results by a day old, so you're not out of touch with the actual article, the time that it's posted, or the news has gone viral. Okay, so just make sure to do that and just rewrite that article, what's being said in the video, and make your own article for PublishOX. Now the second website is going to be ACOX. Now this is a bit different from PublishOX, whereas you need to read audio aloud. Now what happens is people that actually create stories and books, they need people to act out as characters in their stories. Now they take people from all over the world, different accents, different races, different ages, different religions. It really doesn't matter where you are from. They need people like you to bring their imaginations to life. Okay, so you are going to be an actor. Now how this works is, step one, you need to create a profile for yourself. Also explain your acting and audiobook experience. If you have none, that does not matter. Okay, you need to upload a few samples based on the genres that you like, also the style of talking that you are actually good in. If you are a passive talker, okay, you talk slowly, okay, or if you talk with excitement, do it, upload it on with different scenarios. Okay, you can take shorts from different audiobooks and just upload it for them, so potential authors can actually hear what you sound like, and they can decide whether they would like to use your services. You also need to set how much you want to get paid. You can choose your hourly rate, okay, or you can choose royalties. Most people choose the royalties because you can get paid well into the future with this method, and it can become quite a substantial payment over time for the more audiobooks you do over time. Okay, you'll also need to audition for these, okay, once, and wait till they accept your offer, and then you start recording, which is step 6. Step 7 will be work with other studio professionals, which will actually help you with your story, and also which will help you with your recordings, how to do it perfectly, syncing all of it together with finishing your recordings, all of that, and get paid and come back for more. So there's 10 steps you need to actually make money with this. Now the third and final site is going to be voices.com. okay, so voices.com basically more or less has the same function as ACX, but ACX has been around for much longer. Now how to become an audiobook actor? Okay, firstly you need to meet some requirements: a solid understanding of the different kinds of narration. You need stamina, you need organization, you need communication skills, professionalism, and self-management, because you are effectively working on your own. You are not working in a studio, you are not working in an office. You need to work on your own, and you need a lot of energy, because if you have actually read something and you make a mistake in reading, or mispronounce a word like I've just done, you need to go back and do it over again from a logical point. Okay, and you need to start with the same professionalism you had it before. Okay, because you're going to work as well, you're also going to work by yourself, so you need to manage your time, because these people actually want their audios by a certain time, so they can sell their books on Amazon or Audible or other platforms where they can make money, and that's the way you will also make money. That's all from me, guys, for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If this video actually helps you, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends who also need to work from home, so we can help and empower each other. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one, and goodbye.